I've been meditating for 51 years, and one day I sat down and calculated, and with all the courses of things that I've done with it and everything, I've meditated 63,000 hours, and I wouldn't replace a single hour. I came from a home that was, in my words, was not safe. And my father was an alcoholic. There would be outbursts, and as children, we were very frightened. I never wanted to be home. I ended up getting into drugs. I was in high school. I was in the library, and I saw this picture about live with more peace, and I thought, even at the age of 15, I thought, that's for me. I had to get my mom's permission because I was a young teen. And she said, well, why do you want to learn to meditate? I said, don't you think it's very stressful here? And she goes, yeah. And she just signed the paper like that. It was like, yeah, I understand now. At the moment that I learned, I thought, oh, I feel a sense of peace that I haven't had before. I didn't expect the other results, which were the feeling more settled inside myself. This is a feeling like I have a home inside, which was safe, predictable, peaceful, kind. So I had 3 children under the age of 6, and I needed my meditation every day. I needed it. The basis for you to be able to handle the stress is that you come from a place of fullness. You know, you're calmer. How are you going to react to your kids if you're calmer? I think one of the most important things for me today is that TM creates resilience. And this resilience I'm looking at in terms of physical health. And I know that if I exercise every day as I get older, it's going to give me a lot of muscle tone. I want to do TM every day because I've seen the cumulative effects so far. Why would I not want to bring it into my 60s and 70s and 80s and 90s and 100s? I see myself still climbing mountains, you know, and yeah, still climbing mountains, still scuba diving. It's an investment. It's not a one-off. This is a lifetime investment. I can see the difference in how it changed my life and how it made me feel more safe in the world. I want to cry when I say that.